Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Webull account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Webull account number? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want your Webull account number anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and maybe you're doing some estate planning, oftentimes you're going to need to list the account numbers in your trust. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Webull dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Webull account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find your Webull account, there's a few different ways you can do it. The easiest way I was able to find it is if you click up here on the top right on this person icon. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down and you want to click on my account. All right, once you click on my account, you're going to see your account number right here on the top right. If you don't see it there for some reason, go ahead and click on e-documents here on the left. Once you click there, you're going to see the account number right here at the top. And if for some reason they change that, you can go ahead and just download one of your recent tax documents. On the tax document will include your Webull account number. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Webull account number, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.